everybody, welcome to another Little Geeks video. Hey, we have a surprise from our friends at Jada Toys, and they sent us Mighty Metal Figs last time. I wonder what could be in here this time.
Yeah.
Whatever it is, they sent it to us for free, so thank you. But for now, let's get some magic out. Magic. Whoa! We got Mickey and the Road Racers.
You can watch this someday. It's on DVD now.
This is Mickey and the Roadster Racers, transforming Roadster Racer. This is a remote control car that you can watch on the show on Disney in your net. It's just roaring up, and you can get it for about $25. What's pretty cool is that it actually looks like you can transform it inside the box. The Roadster Racer requires four AA batteries and 2 AAA batteries. We can't wait to get this out of the box and start racing, so magic. Everybody, we got it unboxed, the batteries in. That it's all open. Let's see how it transforms. Transform.
No, wait.
Can you de-transform it?
Yes, you can transform it and untransform it,
Which is really cool. And you can also press the horn button and it would make it beep and pop. We're going to try to drive it around outside a little bit, so follow us. Outside. Right, everybody, let's get this driving. Alright, everybody, let's race.
Oh, and Mickey's room.
Right, everybody, that's a Mickey Roadster Racer from Jada Toys.
Nice.
And see, everybody, the Mickey Roadster Racer is a whole bunch of fun. It's when you transform and it's easy to drive. And it goes fast enough for fun. And it goes a little slow for little kids to enjoy it and watch it. Everything is cool and responsive. No, this would probably make a pretty good Christmas present. Thank you again, Jada Toys, for letting us watch for free. Thanks everybody for watching another Little Geeks video. Bye.
On Little Geeks for more toys and more fun. Please like our video and subscribe for our YouTube channel.